If your day is filled with the execution of complex industrial projects and you design and install your special equipment, ProConcept brings to you the expertise of an adaptable and flexible management solution. ICE Water Management is a company whose mission is to propose different customized solutions to manage and process water. This company has opted for the ProConcept project-based management module.
The advantages of project-based management for ICE are budgetary tracking and procurement tracking for machines. The adaptability of ProConcept control panels allow ICE employees to have an overview of all the projects. As ProConcept has been active in the field of project-based management for over 20 years, ICE profits from the mighty power of our ERP coupled with industrial project management.
Our systems comprise machines, and there are hundreds of components for these machines. And in fact, when we understand a customer requirement, we can respond to it with a machine that has already been made. Hence, with ProConcept, in a bill of materials, you can use the before sales phase, which allows you to be the most competitive in the market, have significant profits, and have the shortest completed due dates.
You have a pivot table that provides an overview of the hours of work completed, supplier orders being carried out, and this way you can also focus on the actions to undertake. ICE Water Management designs, produces and delivers over 20,000 parts to be assembled and installed in the destination country. Highly complex project-based management, perfectly mastered by module. The complete cross-functionality offered by ProConcept lets you navigate from the project to the entire data easily.
We all work with the same tool and speak the same language.
The flexibility of ProConcept lets you customize the preparation of customs documents by container. The documents are ready in an hour instead of several days. As 95% of the merchandise is exported, it is a significant time saver.
The next step is graphical planning and how we assign teams, and have a 5 to 6 month visibility over the resources.
Thanks to this functionality, ICE can quickly and easily plan its individual projects or multi-project projects. Since the planning horizon can be defined freely, project managers will have access to all the project milestones and can define precise delivery dates.
Everything went really fast, right from the onset between the ICE and ProConcept teams, generating mutual encouragement and healthy competition. The high flexibility of the tool and the autonomy that it provides are particularly appreciated.
ProConcept has been very pertinent, available, and always ready to listen. Even tried to understand our requirements by putting themselves in our shoes, and at times make us reflect on how we must work.
ProConcept, efficient management solutions for medium and large enterprises.